Hey, so this is a quick tutorial on how to fund your Pocket Option account with your Cash App. So what you want to do, once you have Cash App open, go to the bottom right, the little home icon, and you're going to want to click on Bitcoin. And then from there, you want to go to your Pocket Option account, click the little top up button in the top right corner, type in however much you want to send. Say I want to send $100. You're going to type in $100 and then continue. Then it should bring you to this page. You scroll down to the address, click copy, go back to your Cash App, and then you're going to want to click on the little airplane, the paper airplane icon next to sell. Mine doesn't say sell because I don't have any Bitcoin. I don't have any Bitcoin right now, so I can't do it, but I'll show a little graphic as to what you're supposed to do. You click send Bitcoin, and then you type in however much you want to send, for example, $100. You paste in the wallet address, and you pick which priority you want. Standard, it should arrive within 24 hours. It doesn't take 24 hours, it just can take up to 24 hours. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You should have your funds in your Pocket Option account after that. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.